Alright guys, come back to another video on the channel. Today, we are going to see if the Future Parrot Pal is worth your money. No, not money, because I brought it through. So we're gonna test the Future Parrot Pal and see if it's worth it. Alright, so it's got 20 HP. Alright. Oh, and look how slow it is. My goodness, that's so slow. It does a lot of damage, but it's like so slow. Jeez, bro. Oh my days, and it runs out so quickly. No, no way. Okay. Alright. I've made my judgment, and I think it's clear to say, well, in my opinion, it's alright, but it's not the best. Parrot Pal is alright, but it's not the best. Even though it's got 20 HP. So yeah, that's basically my opinion. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thanks for another video for me. Well, I'm getting my words mixed up. I'll see you later. Goodbye.